Hello everyone, welcome to Real Cash, your trusted channel for learning real ways to earn money online. And today we'll be learning about how to use AI tools to make money in 2025. In 2025, AI tools are changing how people work, create, and earn. And the best part is, anyone can use them. So, you don't need to be a tech expert or spend big money. All you need is a phone or laptop and a little curiosity. So, today in this video, I will show you 5 powerful AI tools that people are using right now to earn from home. So, please watch till end, and I have added a bonus tool that's perfect for students and beginners. So, let's get started. First is ChatGPT, which is earning money from writing. ChatGPT helps us to write anything: blog, post, email scripts, social captions, and much more with just a simple prompt. Even if you are not good at writing, ChatGPT will make your work easy and polished. You can offer writing services on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or even directly to small businesses. Today, many people use it to write ebooks and sell them on Amazon KDP or Gumroad. So, you can also create social media captions, resumes, or email marketing content and sell them as gigs. Just start small, offer one or two services, and improve with feedback. Pair ChatGPT with Grammarly for better content quality. This is one of the fastest ways to start earning using AI. No writing experience needed. Second is Canva AI, which is earning from graphic design. Canva AI makes graphic designing super simple. So even if you are never designed before, use tools like Magic Design to instantly create logos, banners, social posts, and thumbnails. Today, many people earn by creating and selling templates on Etsy or digital platforms. You can also work with small businesses to design their posts, ads, or menus. Canva has features for presentations, flyers, posters, resumes, and much more. Just all drag and drop. Another great idea is to sell your templates on Gumroad or create market as digital products. So there's no need to install anything. It all works from your browser. With Canva AI tool, you can work faster and smarter. So it's a great way to start making money online if you are creative or love designing. Third is Pictory, which is earning from YouTube videos. Pictory turns text into full videos using stock footage, subtitles, and AI voiceovers. No camera or editing skills needed. And it's a perfect for starting faceless YouTube channels in niches like motivation, news, education, or tech. Just write a short script or use ChatGPT, paste in it, and let Pictory turn it into a video. You can also monetize your channel through YouTube AdSense, affiliate marketing, or sponsored content. Some freelancers also sell Pictory made videos to other YouTubers and clients. So you can even use it for making Instagram reels or Facebook ads. It's fast, professional, and beginner friendly also. In 2025, short form and long form video content are highly in demand, and tools like Pictory make it easy for anyone to join the creator economy. Fourth is Midjourney or Leonardo AI, which is earning from AI art. Midjourney and Leonardo AI are tools that turn words into stunning images. You just need to describe the image like forest temple in sunset style, and the AI creates it in seconds. You can also sell these artworks at digital prints, t-shirts, mugs, or wallpapers on sites like Etsy, Red Bull, or Printful. Today, many people also offer custom art services for book covers, game characters, or album art. Want passive income? Just upload your artwork to a print on demand store and no inventory needed. These AI tools are just fast, accurate, and full of styles. So you don't need to draw, just think creatively and write your idea. And it's also a great way to earn if you love visuals, and AI does the hardest part for you. Fifth is 11 Labs AI, which is earning from voiceovers. 11 Labs lets you generate human like voiceovers using AI. You need to type the script, choose a voice, and the AI reads it naturally. No mic or recording needed. Just use this to create voiceovers from videos, TikToks, Instagram Reels, or even explainer videos. Today, many freelancers use 11 Labs to offer voiceover services on Fiverr, Upwork, or directly to content creators. So you can also turn big blog posts into narrated podcasts or videos and post them online. Pair it with Pictree to make full videos without ever speaking a word. 11 Labs supports multiple languages and accents, making it flexible for audience. So, if you are shy or don't have recording gear, this tool helps you start fast. AI voiceover work is growing fast, and this is your chance to be a part in it. And today's bonus tool, which is Notion AI. Notion AI helps you build and sell digital products like planners, checklists, and study tools. It assists in writing, organizing, and formatting everything in just one place. So you can create habit trackers, daily planners, budget sheets, and sell them on Etsy or Gumroad. People love useful templates, and once created, you can sell them again and again. So use ChatGPT to write the content and Notion AI to design it. This is perfect for students, freelancers, and content creators. It requires low effort, no investment, and a great way to build passive income in 2025. So, if you found this video helpful, do like, share, and subscribe to Real Cash for more money making ideas. Thanks for watching.